Mampong traditional area was Santemantemo de Susiani Adribi Basankabeya Ubenya Suya Ponu be a Mampong Nafe Meshian Kayeni Nanso Abashe Asiemu da Sibro Saibo Sotoso Emuno and a Desansemi Etuja.
We have Nanano and together with the Assembly through the MCE appeal to the Honorable Minister of Education to join all this conglomeration of various institutions, educational institutions, scattered within our Mampong traditional area into one University of Mampong. We plead for that and we demand for that. I know the civil servants in Accra, what they will retort to me is, this will cost a lot of money and Ghana government hasn't got funds and whatnot. It is completely wrong. Currently, Ghana government is putting all the bills of the various institutions in Mampong traditional area. Even go down to hospitals. All being funded by the same government of Ghana. So we realize that the budget was swelled up and we can't foot the bill.
I'm reliably informed that MamTech is involved in woodwork, metalwork, construction, electrical and home economics. Definitely, these are the trade areas that we can develop Mampong, its environment, and Ghana as a whole. The nation's economy, Nanache, is driven by its active labor force. The utilization